Hello all. Welcome to Dr.Muttha's Dental Education. I am Dr. Yogesh S Muttha, Principal Dentist at Dr.Muttha's Dental Clinic, Pimplegoro, Pune. I have seen many patients who don't know what is the proper technique of toothbrushing. Today I am going to explain you the proper way of toothbrushing. Choose a toothbrush with soft nylon bristles because hard bristles may damage your teeth and gums. Take any toothpaste which contains around 1000 ppm of fluoride. Take a pea-sized toothpaste on your toothbrush. You don't need much. Now brushing technique. You should keep bristles of your toothbrush at an 45-degree angle to the gums. Don't press much. You press gently so that the bristles of the toothbrush go inside the gaps of the tooth. Then give gentle front, back movements and away from gums. Outer surface of lower teeth. Front and back, away from gums. Front and back, away from gums. Front and back, away from gums. Now, right side. Front and back, away from gums. Inner surface of lower teeth. Front and back, away from gums. Front and back, away from gums. Now the front teeth. Keep the brush like this. Front and back, away from gums. Front and back, away from gums. Now the inner surface of right side. Front and back, away from gums. Brighten your teeth and clean all germs. Now, outer surface of upper teeth. Front and back, away from gums. Front surface of upper teeth. Front and back, away from gums. Now, the right surface of upper teeth. Front and back, away from gums. Now, the last segment. Front and back, away from gums. Same way, you have to clean the inner surface of the tooth. Front and back, away from gums. Now, front teeth. Front and back, away from gums. Front and back, away from gums. Front and back, away from gums. Now, you should clean the chewing surfaces like this. Finally, you must clean the tongue and inner part of the cheek. Many toothbrush has rough surface at the back. To clean the tongue, you should clean your tongue like this. Change the toothbrush every 3 months or when the bristles get flared, whichever is earlier. For better result, brush twice a day after meal. Ideal brushing time should be around 3 minutes. The song which we have played is around 1 minute. So you can listen the song for 3 minutes and brush your teeth for 3 minutes. In our next video, I will be showing you brushing technique for kids. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please press the bell icon to get the next updates. So keep smiling and spread happiness. Thank you.